thought disorders or abnormalities in thinking. What is thought disorders? The thought disorder or formal thought disorder refers to disorganized thinking as evidenced by disorganized speech. Specific thought disorders include derailment, poverty of speech, illogicality, preservation, thought block, etc. Types of thought disorders. First, alogia, poverty of speech, either in amount of content, it can occur as a negative symptom of schizophrenia. Second, blocking, a sudden stop in the middle of train of thought. The individual may or may not be unable to continue the idea. Third, circumstantiality. This type of thinking, inability to answer a question without giving excessive, unnecessary detail. Fourth, clang association, idea that are related only by similar. Fifth one, derailment, idea slip off, the topics track onto another. Sixth one, distractible speech, the subject is changed in response to a stimulus. Example, I, hear, you are, you have, I think you have, etc. Seventh one, echolal, echoing of another's speech that may only be committed once, may be continuous in repetition. Eighth one, aversive interaction, attempt to express ideas or feelings about another individual come out as aversive in a dialect form. Ninth one, flight of ideas, excessive speech at a rapid rate, unrelated idea, it is common in mania. 10th one, illogicality, conclusions are reached that do not follow logicality. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.